So hello, welcome to this video, and my name is Praveen, and today I am gonna describe the folder structure and code of this project name as a pulling system API, which is based on a Node.js. It's just a simple API, so API based project. Okay, so in this let me just describe the first file name as package.json. So here we're gonna see it, the following dependencies and the basic libraries and packages inside it. Now let me just describe the index.js file, which is basically a main entry point file of this project. So inside it, the basic logic, it the middleware for parse from data and listening the port number from 8000. Now let me just describe the folder structure and inside it file. So here in connection folder I created a mongoose.js, which is basically creating a connection to MongoDB. Now let me just describe later for controllers.api. This folder is basically responsible for all logics inside it, all logics of this project. Now move to the models. In this I created a two file name as option.js and question.js, which is basically creating an database schema for question and options. Okay, now the routes. Now here is routes. Now index.js, here we gonna see first file index.js. Here we gonna see a/API URL when this URL hit, when the following requires API. Now API, inside API, here is a index.js, which is basically when entry point for questions and options URL from requiring, and inside questions the following functionalities like create options and delete questions and view questions. And inside the options, and I can basically say that for operations for options. Okay, so adding vote and delete an options is, so in after that routes, the controller goes to the controllers. Okay, so when the URL is based on questions, now create let me just show you the questions logics. Okay, to see the questions and its options, view all questions, this basically rendering our pages in web browser. Okay, I'll tell it later. So in this I'll also commented all the code logics about it. Okay, so creating questions and options, and last one is view questions and delete questions. So in options, similarly the basic functionality, adding vote and deleting an options. Okay, so let me just run it, then I explain it more detail, more describing nature. So now I should type nodemon start. I can also start with npm start, but I am comfortable with nodemon started. Now in postman, first let me just show you a readme file for it, and here is all operations that I mentioned in the project PDF. So I'll hit this URL for creating a question by using a post request. Okay, so let's just create a questions for it. Okay, what is question? What is favorite thing for you? Okay, so here is a question is created as name as what is favorite thing for you. Here is a model schema like title, options, ID. So now creating an option for this question. Now let me just copy it ID of this question ID, and I have to paste it here, and let me just create an option for it. Then after that we're gonna see question whether it is option 1. So I created an option for this question. Okay, so now another operation is to see question and its options. So I have to paste it here, the following question ID, and we're gonna see it, what is your favorite thing for you, and it's the options for it. Option 1 we're gonna see is as text field, and the question ID is his, and the question name is that. Okay, now I have to add to vote this option. Okay, now simply by using clicking on this link I can vote it, so by using post method. Okay, so you're gonna see it voted successfully. Okay, so I created a URL also for adding vote by simply pasting the question option ID here. Now if I have to delete an option, so first of all, if I have to delete it, the option should not be voted. Okay, if there is a voted, then it shows a message like the voted options cannot be deleted. Okay, so let me just show you a question whose option is not voted. So here we're gonna see it, who is Simi, and let me just copy it, and seeing first, let's just sheet option it and question also. So this for me, and option is empty. Now I have to create an option for this question. So option 1, creating an option for the question who is Simi. Okay, now I created an option and let's just again see its option and its question. Now here the question ID is, here we're gonna see it, the question ID is this one, and the question is who is Simi, and option is option 1. Okay, now I have to delete an option for it, for this question. First I have to copy its option ID. Now by going to deleting an options for this one, I have to paste it here, delete. Okay, now here you wanna see is option deleted successfully. Okay, again this question is basically now a option with empty array. Again we're gonna sending a request, and here you wanna see is option is empty. Okay, so now if I want to delete a question, okay, so now I have to copy this one, the question is who is Simi, and or here is a question ID. I have to copy it and then go to delete the question by send it, and then this is show me a question deleted successfully. Okay, so now now we're gonna see it in our Mongoose. Here's two options and questions. So now there is a two question, and the who is Simi is missing, gone, like. Okay, so that's all the functionalities given into this. I have to implement it. I'll show it with the following things. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.